Indian troops launched Cordon and Search operations in the Rajouri district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops launched the operation in various villages of the Rajouri districts. On Monday, the official said the operation was going on till the last reports came in. When the International Day of Non-Violence is being observed across the globe today, Indian troops continue to commit war crimes in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said the people of occupied Kashmir have been facing harassment and atrocities with the black laws at the hands of the brutal Indian troops for decades, as the Indian troops, paramilitary forces, police, NIA and SIA continue to commit killing of the defenseless Kashmiris. All parties Hurriyat conference, while terming the Indian approach towards the Kashmir dispute absolutely unrealistic, has said that a political issue like the Kashmir cannot have a military solution, as it involves a high risk of death and destruction beyond imagination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the illegally detained APHC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from the Tihar jail, strongly denounced the brute use of military power by India to suppress the political will of the Kashmiris. Head constable of the Central Reserve Police Force on Sunday died of the bullet injury under mysterious circumstances inside the Kot Bhalwal jail in Jammu. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police said that the trooper, identified as Rakesh Kumar, resident of Rajasthan, who had recently resumed his duty after leave, was found dead due to the bullet injury in the jail premises. Posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas reading slogans as anti-Kashmir policies being persuaded by the ruling BJP-RSS nexus in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters were displayed by Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement, Naujawane Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Movement, Resistance Youth Forum, Jammu and Kashmir Resistance Party. Convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter Mahmood Ahmed Sagar has sought the world leaders' proactive role to address the dire political and human rights situation in occupied Kashmir and settle the dispute as per the UN resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a letter addressed to the OIC Secretary General and the UN Chief, Mr. Antonio Guterres, Sagar said that the blood of the innocent Kashmiris was being spilled over impunity by the trigger-happy Indian forces. Large numbers of the Sikhs held a protest demonstration in Paris against the persecution of Sikhs by the Narendra Modi-led fascists in India, particularly in the Punjab state. According to Kashmir Media Service, the participants of the protest were holding Khalistan flags and placards and banners with the pictures of the prominent Sikh leaders, including Amritpal Singh. The protesters strongly denounced the crackdown launched by the Indian police to arrest Amritpal Singh and other leaders of the Khalistan movement. In powerful display of solidarity, Sikhs in the UK barred the Indian High Commissioner Vikram Doraiswamy from entering Glasgow Gurdwara Albert in protest against the injustices with the Sikh minority in India and their murder by the Indian secret agencies abroad. According to Kashmir Media Service, the video documenting this confrontation serves as a reminder of the pain and anger felt by the Sikh community.